Hi, my loves. This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. This week, we not only unboxed this amazing kit from Model Ones, but we swatched it, and then we did the most gorgeous full set, which is what Miss Autumn is wearing today. But she gave me a gorgeous inspo picture, so I'm going to be showing that on the right hand corner here. And I could not get over like the chrome, the dreaminess of it all. So I had to hook a sister up. So I just grabbed out some Madam Glam goodies. I also got chrome from Born Pretty, and we are going to adorn Miss Autumn's phalanges with the most darling Valentine's conversation heart set. So let's get into all of the magic. Now, the only devastating part of the entire filming process of these stunning nails is the chrome I used. It wasn't showing up proper on the camera, but to the naked eye, y'all, it is all of this purple pink magic. The nails looked like they were glowing purple. And from the ring lights, like the source of light, oh my gosh, you could see it dancing. So at the end of this video, I actually take a different source of light and move it around the nails so you can kind of see that purple glow more true to the way it looks naturally. Because like with the naked eye, y'all, I was losing it. These are so dainty. This is very beginner friendly, and this is just such a beautiful, nail inspiration, a really beautiful idea for Valentine's. So please, in the comments down below, I would love to know if you would wear this. Now, the rest of this is going to be a watch me work. I hope you enjoy all of the nail magic, and I will be back towards the end of this Valentine's Gel Mani. Now, all of the products that I'm going to be using in today's video, they're going to be in the description box below. So don't worry about taking a pen and a pad out to write down all the gorgeous colors you're about to see, because it will all be there in the description box below. I really hope you love this set as much as I did creating it, and I can't wait to hear what you think about these in the comments down below. I am sending you so much love and light. Thank you for coming into today's video, and yeah, I'm jumping through the screen and giving you the biggest hug ever. I really hope you enjoy this set, and I'll be right back. I also wanted to lower the light so you could see some of that purple magic, but I promise you, in person, whew, I also took some individual pictures so you guys could see the true essence of this gorgeous set. But without further ado, let's get to, shall we?
got a confession, I got a fixation. I'm locked on you. Do you believe you're my obsession, my elevation, my only muse? Got a wandering eye that only chases you. Every move you make, I know my mind will follow. You say they just your friends, but me and your boys ain't cool. I leave them alone. I want you to know, I need you to know. I wanna just dive right into you. I wanna get pushed into your pool. I'm thinking about all the things I'll do. Maybe I'm selfish, but I can't help it. I want you for me. Who do you call when you're feeling lonely? Am I your only? Let me be the one. It's okay to fall. I'll be your safety. As long as you want me, I'll be the one. Got a wandering eye that only chases you. Every move you make, I know my mind will follow. You say they just your friends, but me and your boys ain't cool. I leave them alone. I want you to know, I need you to know. I wanna just dive right into you. I wanna get pushed into your pool. I'm thinking about all the things I'll do. Maybe I'm selfish, but I can't help it. I want you for me. Why would I want another by my side? I'd only ever live a lie. When I'm with you, I come alive. I come alive. Yeah. You got that fire and you light me up. I promise I won't let you down. We'll rule the world, we can have it all. Always together, I'll love you forever. What could be better than me and my babe? They'll say whatever, they're nothing but haters. What could be better than me and my babe? Without you, there's no me. I got you on replay all day. Down for whatever, no matter the weather, just me and my babe.
Hi, my beautiful nail family. Thank you so much for coming into today's video, and I pray you had so much fun, and I hope you did your nails alongside me. I literally just put on a little Netflix movie, and I went to town on these phalanges, and I just can't get over how darling these little conversation hearts turned out. I cannot wait to hear what you think in the comments down below. And this was just a little taste. We are going to have so much more Valentines magic on the channel. But last year, I wasn't able to do conversation hearts, and it was in my heart to do. So I just had to do this magic today. I hope you love it. I cannot wait to see you in tomorrow's video. Remember, do all things with love. Oh, thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.